Ever wondered how every great project begins? Hi, I'm James, and today on Project Playground, we're diving into the initiation phase, where every big idea takes its first exciting step. Let's kick it off with an analogy you'll love: building the ultimate sandcastle. Before you even start building your sandcastle, you need to pick the right spot. You don't want to build it too close to the water, or it'll get washed away, right? This is the same as the project initiation phase. Here, you define your project's purpose and objective. Just like you pick a solid spot for your castle, you pick a clear goal for your project. What are you trying to achieve? Is it creating a new product? Building a website? This is where you decide. Without this strong foundation, your project might crumble later on. Next, you gather your tools: shovel, pail, and rake. Without the right tools, building a great sandcastle is almost impossible. The same goes for your project. In the initiation phase, you identify the resources you'll need: people, budget, time, and materials. Think about who's going to help you build the sandcastle. Maybe you need a friend to help with the tower, or a few more hands for the moat. For your project, this is where you identify your project team and stakeholders. These are the people who will help you bring the project to life. Now that you have your spot and tools, you need a plan. How big will your sandcastle be? What will it look like? Is it going to have a moat or a dragon tower? This is when you start to define your scope, what the project will include, and just as importantly, what it won't. For example, your sandcastle might have a moat, but no dragon, because let's face it, dragons are tricky. In project management, the scope keeps everyone aligned on what needs to be done and what doesn't. No surprises here. With the tools, spot, and plan in place, you're ready to start building. The initiation phase is all about setting up the project for success. It's like having the blueprint ready and the tools in hand. So there you have it. Just like building the perfect sandcastle, the initiation phase is all about preparation. It's about choosing the right spot, gathering the right tools, defining your goals, and getting everything ready to make the project a success. Stay tuned for the next video as we dive into the planning phase. Don't forget to subscribe and share your coolest sandcastle or project story in the comments.